Hello everybody, welcome to C++ complete course. In this video of C++ programming course, we will talk about, we will practice on some coding exercise. You know better that we already talk about conditional statement like if, else if, and nested if. In upcoming video I will tell you. Right. In this case, I want to have some questions and some problems that we have, that finding even or odd number in programming, right? In second program we have finding the large number into numbers. These are two programs that we have to work on, right? For first program, even or odd, we simply take a variable to store a number, like I take 19 number is equal to how much. You can also assign here, but I don't want here. I take from user that we study already by cn, right? Cout, enter your number, right? Enter your number. After that, end l, right? You can also use dot dot dot, and we don't need end l here, right? And after that, cn what? Cn simple number. Just take a look and see the result. Enter number, I want like this, 12. Now whenever someone enters something, a number, program should tell us that your number is even or your number is odd, right? First of all, I take int variable that by the name of remainder, and I want remainder to assign it something that number remainder by 2. Simple, right? See, remainder by how much? By 2. Now see, what does it mean? It means that number, whatever user enter, take that number and divide by 2 whatever remained, assigned to remainder. And here we have condition if remainder is equal to how much? If remainder is equal to 0, it means that our number is even. Look, like even number. Else if, another condition, else if remainder is equal to how much? 1, it means our number is odd. Simple. No problem, no issue in that program. I hope there is no problem. I want to run it. Enter your number like this, 89. Odd number, yes, it works fine. 88, even number, yes, that is absolutely fine. Now if I take a large number, 82 at the end, we have even number, and 91 like this, and after the 1 it is odd number. Now this program become clear for you guys. You don't have any problem. If you have, tell me in comment section as well. I want to comment this one, the first program done, right? Okay, the second program that we have is finding the large number in two numbers. Okay, in this case I have need two numbers to store it. For example, int number 1 and int number 2. You can also use in one statement, like in one line, int number 1 comma number 2, right? Like this. I want, and like this, right? Number 1, number 2. This is camel case, and I usually like camel case, right? We study that in variable name, right? Okay, after that, see out, enter two numbers, please. Enter two number, please. After that, I want NL and CN. CN what? Number 1. After that, number 2. Right. Now let's check the result. It works or not. Enter two numbers, please. This is my first number and this is my second number. Right? Okay. The program finished. Okay. After that, I have some condition. If number 1 that you enter here, Mr. User, is greater than number 2. If number 1 is greater than number 2, simple see out number 1 is greater than number 2. Simple. Number 1 is greater than number 2. Else if number 1 become less than number 2. If number 1 is less than number 2, simple see out what? Control C and Control V. And simple number 1 is less than. Simple program. Here we have one condition. If it's false, it will check for this one. If it become true, it will print the body of if, the statement. If it become false, now jump to the another else if, and these things we study. Right. Enter two numbers. My first number is 230 and my second number is 430. Which one is the largest? Second number. Now check. Number 1 is less than number 2. Number 1 is less than number 2. It means number 2 is greater than. If I write like this, and number 1 is greater than number 2. But someone comes here and write 10 and 10. Okay, number 1 is less than. This is fine. But number 10 and 10, nothing. We have what? Else. We study. Else. If this condition become false and this condition become false, otherwise we have default else. And else I wanna write a message that both numbers are what? Are equal. Both numbers are equal. Right. And let's see the output. Just run and take a look. Enter two numbers, please. We have 80 and 80. Both numbers are equal. But if I have 120 and 110, which one is the largest? The first number. Number 1 is greater. If number second, 2 like this, and which one is the largest? Second. Let's see. Number 1 is less than number 2. It means number 2 is greater than. This was all about, my dears, for this video. I hope you learned something and I hope you enjoy the video. If you enjoy the video, just like the video and share it with your friends. Right. And do subscribe for more videos as well. Thanks for watching, my dears. I will see you next time.